Welcome, eager moneymakers. Welcome to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and we'll continue to bring you more videos that will help to motivate you into taking your next step in whatever venture you are pursuing. Question: are you tired of being broke? Do you feel like you're stuck in a financial rut that you can't escape from? Well, you're not alone. Many of us have been there at some point in our lives. Being broke is not just about having no money in your pocket. It's a state of mind that keeps you in a constant struggle, always worried about how to make ends meet. The reality of being broke is harsh. It's waking up every day to a pile of bills you can't pay. It's choosing between necessities. It's the constant stress and worry about how you're going to make it to the end of the month. It's a cycle that seems impossible to break. Now you might be wondering, why does this happen? Why do so many of us find ourselves in this situation? Well, there are several common reasons. For some, it's due to circumstances beyond their control, like job loss or medical expenses. But for many others, it's the result of poor financial habits. Spending more than you earn, not having a budget, relying on credit, not saving for the future. These are all habits that can lead you down the road to financial ruin. And the sad part is, many of us aren't even aware that we're doing these things until it's too late. Another major factor is the lack of financial education. Many of us were never taught how to manage our money, how to invest, or even how to save. We're left to figure it out on our own, and often we make mistakes along the way. The impact of these factors is profound. It affects not just your wallet, but your mental health, your relationships, and your quality of life. But don't worry, there's always a way out, and we're here to guide you step by step on that journey to financial freedom. So, where do you start? It all begins with a change of mindset. That's right, your journey from being broke to achieving financial freedom actually starts in your mind. You might be thinking, but how can thoughts influence my bank account? Well, it's all about developing a financial mindset, a way of thinking that prioritizes smart money decisions over impulsive spending. Think of your brain as the control center for your financial health. If you can train it to make better decisions, you'll start to see a positive shift in your financial situation. This is where the concept of delayed gratification comes in. Now you might be asking, what's that? Well, it's the ability to resist the temptation for an immediate reward in favor of a later, and often, larger reward. It's like choosing to save money instead of spending it on the latest gadget, knowing that this saved money can grow over time through smart investments. It's deciding to cook dinner at home instead of eating out, because you understand that the money saved can be put towards something more substantial in the future. Delayed gratification is a game changer in anyone's financial journey. It's about understanding that the choices you make today can significantly impact your financial situation tomorrow. It's about realizing that instant gratification often leads to financial strain, while patience and discipline can lead to financial freedom. Developing a financial mindset and practicing delayed gratification doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, a journey that requires persistence and commitment. But it's a journey that's completely worth it. So take a moment to reflect on your current mindset towards money. Are you making impulsive decisions? Or are you making choices that will benefit you in the long run? Are you prioritizing immediate satisfaction over financial stability? If you are, it's time to change that. Start training your mind to make smarter financial decisions. Start practicing delayed gratification. Start prioritizing your long-term financial health over short-term desires. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your financial success. So, start building that strong foundation now. Now that you've got the right mindset, let's talk about the top investments in 2024. In the ever-evolving world of finance, it's crucial to stay ahead of the game. Knowing where to put your money can make all the difference. And here are some of the top investment options for this year. First up, we have cryptocurrencies. They've been on the rise for years, and they show no signs of slowing down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies offer a high-risk, high-reward scenario. Yes, the market can be volatile, but if you're willing to ride the wave, the potential for growth is substantial. Next, we have real estate. It's an oldie but a goodie. The real estate market can fluctuate, but it tends to appreciate over time. Investing in rental properties, for instance, can provide a steady stream of income. Plus, you're building equity in a tangible asset. Then, there's the stock market. Picking the right stocks requires research, but the payoff can be significant. Consider investing in companies that are leaders in their industries, have a strong track record, and are poised for future growth. Technology and healthcare sectors are particularly promising this year. Don't overlook the power of mutual funds and ETFs either. These investment vehicles allow you to diversify your portfolio without needing to pick individual stocks. It's a less risky way to dip your toes into the stock market. Lastly, consider investing in yourself. This could mean furthering your education, starting a side business, or developing a new skill. The return on investment here can be immeasurable, as it can open doors to higher earning potential. Remember, each investment option comes with its own set of risks and rewards. It's essential to do your own research and consider your financial goals before making a decision. Investing is not about getting rich quick, it's about growing your wealth steadily over time. Choose wisely. Let's move on to the next step, leveling up your financial game. This is where things get exciting. It's like moving from the minor league to the major league. You've got the basics down, now it's time to play the game at a higher level. The first strategy to level up financially is continuous learning. The world of finance is constantly changing, so you need to keep up with the latest trends and strategies. This might mean reading books, attending seminars, or even getting a mentor. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. As Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Next, diversify your income. Don't rely on just one source of income. Think about how you can create multiple streams. This could be through side hustles, investing in real estate, or starting your own business. Having multiple sources of income not only increases your earning potential, but also provides a safety net in case one source dries up. So, start brainstorming and see what you can come up with. Finally, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can pop up at any time. Having a safety net of 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses can help you weather these financial storms. It might take some time to build up this fund, but the peace of mind it provides is worth the effort. Leveling up your financial game isn't going to happen overnight. It requires planning, discipline, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. But the rewards can be life-changing. You'll not only have more money, but also the confidence and freedom that comes with financial independence. Remember, leveling up financially is a process, not an event. Be patient and stay consistent. You've got this. And before you know it, you'll be playing in the financial major leagues. So that's it. A step-by-step guide to stop being broke in 2024. We've journeyed together through the reality of being broke, understanding its roots and acknowledging its impact. Yet it's critical to remember that being broke is not a permanent state, but a temporary situation that can be changed. It all starts with a mindset shift. Recognizing that you have the power to change your financial situation is the first step to climbing out of the pit of financial instability. From there, we moved on to where to start. We discussed the importance of budgeting, saving, and eliminating debts. These foundational steps are crucial in creating a solid financial platform upon which you can build your wealth. Without this groundwork, any financial gains you make are likely to crumble under the weight of poor financial habits. Next, we delved into the top investments in 2024. We explored a variety of investment options from stocks and bonds to real estate and digital currencies. The key takeaway here is that diversification is crucial. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, but rather spread your investments across different sectors to mitigate risks and increase potential returns. In the fourth scene, we talked about leveling up your financial game. This involves continuously educating yourself about personal finance, seeking professional advice when needed, and taking calculated risks to grow your wealth. It's not enough to simply save and invest. You need to actively manage your finances to ensure your money is working for you. And here we are, at the end of our journey. We've covered a lot of ground, but remember, this is just the beginning. The road to financial stability and wealth is a continuous journey of learning, adapting, and growing. Remember, you have the power to change your financial situation. Start today, and let's make 2024 a year of financial breakthrough.